Let's say how the admin can manage settings from the backend. So settings tab from the backend. There are a list of settings. Let's go with the general settings first. So here the admin can give the site name, site logo, site favicon, and the placeholder images. So the text for the footer content data, like what is going to be the copyright terms and conditions, etc. So the admin can add text for your footer for their platform's footer here, and the user benefits and model benefits can be updated from here based on the site owner's choice. And the maintenance mode and the mandatory email notification. If the maintenance mode is on, uh, like if the maintenance mode is on, the user will see the maintenance its maintenance page, and while he's visiting the site. And mandatory email notification, so when the user is signing up in the platform, he will receive a email uh, to his um to his personal email. So he has to click that so that it will automatically mark the user as a verified user in the platform. So in order to enable that as mandatory option, if the user is if this is active, if it's turned on, by default the user must verify it and then only log into the system. So it can be toggled on off. And the verification model account. So each model, the model will be tagged as a verified model only if he or she will have so and so subscribers. Suppose the model should have 5 subscribers to have the verified tick behind his or her profile. So that number can be set by the site owner. So it says 5 here. So in this platform, that can be customized. So the admin can change it to 8, 10, or etc. Like on his, that's going to be his wish. So based on the number set here, the model will have, once she has so many subscribers mentioned here, she will have the verified tick behind her profile as a verified model. And the token conversion rate value. So like we know that in the system, the models pay out for their token earnings. So the token earnings for their earned tokens, there will be a conversion rate that can be set by the site owner here. Suppose if it's zero point 0.1, it means $1 is equal to 10 tokens. I'm setting as zero point 0.2, which means $1 is 20 tokens, like this. So this way, he can set from the backend. So that amount of tokens will be converted at monetary actual dollar wise, and then it will be transferred. So the payouts can be made by the admin. So these are the things in the general tab that can be set by the admin. Coming to the email settings, so there will be the admin email as well as the sender emails here. So that can be configured. And coming to SMTP, so in SMTP settings, basically the system generated emails in the platform. So suppose any notification that the model or the user receives in the platform, that has to be uh, enabled through SendGrid here. So so the settings for that, like the host, port, user, and API keys can be configured here for the SMTP email settings. And SEO settings, basically the meta data, keywords, header, and body scripts can be provided here, mainly for Google. And commission settings, and the commission settings is with respect to each commissions. Like there is a separate the commission percentage for subscription and monthly subscription, early subscription. So if the model is earning through subscription as well as the tokens in the system. So how much commission that the site owner is going to take through her monthly subscription, early subscription can be mentioned here. Likewise, through tokens. So the tokens, like the token feature can be used for gallery, products, feeds, tip, all those things. So the commissions can be set individually for each transaction here, like monthly early subscription or any token features like products, galleries, etc. And Stripe has to be configured here. So the user will actually pay to the models uh, for the token packages which has to be purchased through his Stripe card, as well as when he is subscribing to a particular model, he has to use his Stripe card to subscribe. So the Stripe settings are enabled here by the admin and to the system. And the social logins, so we have a social login of Google and Twitter in the platform. So the logins, the keys are configured here. And coming to the Google Analytics, so the Google Analytics score can be given here basically. So once the site owner provides this, it will be easy for him to track, um, the users who are visiting his website. So this way he can manage the system settings from the back end. Thank you.